Sliders feature fixed and adjustable rollers. To begin, apply Loctite to the adjustable fixing screw. Insert the slider into the rail and loosen the screw. With the spanner, set the preload using small adjustments. The slider should run smoothly, without friction or play. Test and readjust if needed. When finished, tighten the screw, holding the bearing in place with the spanner. Curved sliders follow a similar process. Apply Loctite and loosen both fixing screws on the dimpled bearings. Place the roller on the rail to test the preload. Remove the slider to make the adjustment. Repeat until the preload is correct, then tighten the screws, holding the bearing in place with the spanner.